Hey, what's up? In this video I want to tell you and share my impressions about the new TOPPIN Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This is 16-in-1 handheld vacuum cleaner with 12,000 Pascal suction power, up to 35 minutes of cleaning time, 2 power modes and LED headlights. The price of this vacuum cleaner is only $109 on Amazon. By the way, after watching this video you can go to the description below and find a coupon code to buy a new vacuum cleaner. Okay, let's get started. The box of TOPPIN vacuum cleaner looks like this. There is only company logo and sketch of vacuum cleaner on the front, and no information on the back or side faces. Let's open the box. First, we can see an envelope with the user manual and other documentation. Then there is a main body of a vacuum cleaner with battery part and main accessories, such as metal wand, 2-in-1 brush, crevice tool, power adapter, wall mount installation kit, and motorized floor nozzle. You know, this is a budget handheld vacuum cleaner, and it has useful brushes and even motorized floor nozzle. Let's take a closer look at them. So this is the main body of TOPPIN vacuum cleaner. As you can see, the battery is removable. I think it is very good, because you can remove the battery and charge it separately from the main body. There is a button on the front of vacuum cleaner to quickly open the dust bin and clean it. However, you can also remove the handle from the main body to clean the dust bin under the water. There is only one button on the handle to start/stop the cleaning. The battery also has a button to choose the low and high-speed cleaning mode. By the way, the metal mesh and inner filter are easy to clean under the water, but the battery, motor part and metal wand are not washable. Pay attention to this, please. The size of the main body of TOPPIN vacuum cleaner is 290 by 215 by 115 mm. The weight with battery is 1350 grams. Most often you will use a vacuum cleaner with a metal tube. It has a length from 455 to 680 mm. To the end of the metal vent, a motorized floor nozzle is connected. The feature of this nozzle is for LED lights on the front. This is a really useful feature, because you can see all the debris under the bed, closet or other dark places. TOPPIN vacuum cleaner also has 2-in-1 brush to clean in the hard-to-reach places. So you know the new vacuum cleaner is made of quality materials, and it has a good build quality. It doesn't look and feel like a budget vacuum cleaner. I think the build quality is very important for any vacuum cleaner. Okay, now let's open Amazon product page and look at the main features of TOPPIN vacuum cleaner. We can see that the new handheld vacuum cleaner has a motor power of 150 watt. The maximum suction power is 20,000 Pascal. By the way, I forgot to tell you that TOPPIN vacuum cleaner uses 5 layers high-efficiency filtration system. As for the battery, it has a capacity of 2200 mAh, and this is enough for 35 minutes of cleaning. The full battery charge takes about 4 hours. I have already told you about other features, such as quick dust release, mountable design, adjustable wand, 2 power modes, LED headlights, and all-around cleaning. Okay, we looked at the package content and design of TOPPIN vacuum cleaner, but a full review is impossible without a cleaning test. So for the cleaning test of TOPPIN vacuum cleaner, I scattered 100 grams of the trash on the floor. The cleaning took less than 1 minute, and we can see that the vacuum cleaner collected 99 grams of trash, so the cleaning efficiency is 99%. The vacuum cleaner is must-have for any home. Yes, you can buy a robot vacuum cleaner, but most of them have added 3000 Pascal suction power. TOPPIN handheld vacuum cleaner has a suction power of 12,000 Pascal. The other features of this vacuum cleaner is 35 minutes of battery life, 2 power modes, LED lights and motorized floor nozzle, and washable filter. This is a very interesting wireless vacuum cleaner for the price of $109. If you want to buy it, I will leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.